Hey guys, it's Jessica and this is a Tussey Life. Tonight we're making a healthier Kung Poa Chicken. I'm a mom of 3 picky eaters, so my meals are pretty kid friendly. I work 10-hour days, so I know what it's like to be rushed at dinner time. To make my weekdays easier, I prep breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinners on one day, and it preps me for the whole week. I don't mind doing all of this prepping in one day because it saves me time, it saves money, we all eat better, and it saves my sanity. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Help me put a little prep in your step. The first thing I'm going to prep on prep day is the broccoli. I'm just going to cut those up into smaller bite-sized pieces, rinse them, and then put them into my Ziploc bag with a paper towel. I didn't need to cut up the chicken because I had already done that a previous week when I got a bunch of bulk chicken and I diced it all up. All right, time to cook it. We're gonna make the chicken and the broccoli. We made it in less than 20 minutes and it is about $2.52 a serving. For the chicken, all I need to do is coat it in some cornstarch. Drizzle your pan with olive oil. Dump in your chicken. Spread it all around so it can cook evenly. Now I'm going to add in my garlic butter. I probably did about 2 tablespoons. While the chicken cooks, I'm going to get the broccoli started. We're going to sprinkle it with the Kinder's SPG seasoning and set it in your steamer basket or however you steam your broccoli. Now that the chicken is about 85% cooked, I'm going to add in my minced garlic and some ginger paste that we have. I've also mixed up some water and cornstarch to add as like a thickening agent when I'm ready. Add in a little poultry seasoning. Add in red pepper flakes. Now add in your slurry mix with some soy sauce. Now I'm going to add in some sweet ginger chili sauce. This stuff is pretty dang good. After I tasted it, we needed a little more spice, so I'm going to put in some sriracha. Doing another quick tasting, and I realized it seemed like it needed something else, so I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. A little more natural heat with the red chili flakes. Tasted, and it's good to go. That's it, a quick, simple, and super flavorful meal. Hope you try it. Enjoy!